This home's interior design is warm and homely in texture, with rustic and traditional cohesion, that creates a fresh originality to the interior design. In the year 2014, the Japanese government gave approval for an energy policy that encouraged zero net energy houses to become standardized for newly constructed homes by the year 2030. Japan was already moving towards a greener future. Their government's efforts are still currently underway in this year 2022 to implement more sustainable and eco-friendly homes, with the aim of having long-lasting quality homes within the future. Traditional Japanese interior design also emphasized sustainability in its interior design practices. Simplicity in the arrangement of space, furniture, and objects, the distribution of natural light, the use of natural building materials, and connection to the surrounding natural environment, are all tied to sustainability in Japanese interior design. Great respect is given to the natural environment, and has been a core aspect of the Japanese culture. This core aspect was also dictated by the limited space provided to homeowners in the mountainous regions of Japan. Materials for construction were chosen according to their abundance, but more importantly, their climatic assistance abilities. As a result, materials like woods, clay, and plaster have always been selected for use in Japanese interior design. This is because these materials absorb humidity during the wet and cold months, and releases that same moisture during the dry and sunny months, fostering a comfortable living environment.
This small sustainable brick home pays homage and respect to Japanese interior design. Its interior design concept has plenty of Japanese elements, but with a combination of Scandinavian elements as well. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials were used, such as recurring oak wood, which helps to add a calm and soothing atmosphere throughout the home. Air was also allowed to flow naturally, with the help of skylights and high ceilings. One of our major findings, relating to Japanese architecture and home design, is the high level of expectations for sustainability, and the need for harmonization with nature, attached to this style. Japanese architecture and design is also becoming the newly sought-after alternative to Western and modern architecture. Leading us to the question of whether or not Japanese interior design and architecture is truly natural and highly sustainable, especially since plenty of wooden elements are used, running the risk of deforestation. The answer is that Japanese interior design and architecture requires that only what is needed is utilized, while being respectful to nature, like the Japanese ancestors did, way before technology became advanced. It's all about aesthetic sustainability, which requires that we move away from acts of decomposition and recreation, and embrace more recycling and minimal consumption. Aesthetic sustainability is about using beautiful and aesthetically pleasing elements in your home's design. Elements that can not only be mixed and matched, but stand the test of time, changing with your style preferences and desired outlook, as they too also change with time.
Thank you for viewing our content. If you're new to MHD, feel free to join our growing home designers community by subscribing. Also, check out our new blog at www.modernhomes/mhd.blogspot.com.